Everyone knows the struggle of finding gluten-free food and snacks while traveling. To make it easier and cheaper, my family stocks up before the trip. My name is Sharon, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist helping you live and thrive gluten-free without the stress. Join my kids and I as we shop for gluten-free travel food at Walmart, plus prepare and pack the food for a successful journey. By buying food ahead of time, you're sure to have safe and delicious food to satisfy your cravings throughout your trip. Come along with us. Okay, we're at Walmart. We're gonna go in and get snacks. Are you guys ready to go get snacks?
Yeah!
Okay, for a trip. Yeah?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah.
It's Walmart. Not my favorite with kids, but Walmart has cheap snacks. So we're going.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna grab apples because those are easy to eat in the car. Pick out what you want.
I want a Granny
One.
Smith.
Okay, you like Granny
This
Smith?
one.
Okay.
You gotta film me.
All right. Do you guys want any other fruit? Maybe bananas down there?
Yeah, banana.
Bananas?
Now we got carrots. Laughing.
Okay, so we're looking for something to take for lunch. They do have these feel-good cream cheese stuffed bagels, but I think we're gonna make actual bagel sandwiches because those are delicious, but they're pretty small. So over here, they have the Canyon Bakehouse bagels. You wanna grab some of those out of there for me, kid? So we'll grab that. Yep, and there's 4 in a package, so it's perfect for each of us. Okay, so let's grab some gluten-free bars for a trip. They have the Bobos, those are good. You guys like those? Do you want apple pie? Yep, you can get apple pie. Do you want the That's It bars?
Daddy,
Yep, Daddy likes that.
can I get me?
Do you want the big ones or do you want the mini ones?
The big one.
Okay,
Are these the mini ones or the big ones?
those are the big ones. The mini ones are below it. Yep.
Guys, we found these and they're my daddy's favorite.
They are Daddy's favorite.
Yep.
And I'll eat those with hummus, so that's good. Put them in the cart. What else do we want? You want the Cape Cod chips?
Lay's chips.
Let's go get the Cape Cod chips down here. We really like those. Oh, these grab the churro chips.
What are churros?
Just one. We'll eat those.
Didn't you get like the
Okay, so here's Cape Cod chips. Do you want salt and vinegar, right? Somebody grab salt and vinegar if you want that.
I want wavy.
I don't see the wavy, hun.
There's some over here.
No, they don't have. That is wavy. Do they have a smaller bag?
I don't think so. Me and Daddy can show it. What did you say? Me and Daddy can share it.
You want to share that with Daddy? That's a very big bag. Okay, you can get it. I think we have enough chips for our trip. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. All right, let's find some hummus to dip those in.
Hey guys.
Do you guys want juice for the trip?
Yeah, we want apple, grape, strawberry juice.
All right, sounds good.
And it's juice box.
Get some seltzer for me and Daddy. What do you think Daddy wants? I don't think so. I don't think Daddy wants that. Yeah, let's try it. Lime. Get it, put it in the cart.
Can we have some?
Yes. So over in this section, there's actually a lot of really good gluten-free options. I'm a big fan of the almond milk pudding. I mentioned this in my guide to gluten-free pudding. This is a gluten-free, dairy-free one, so I like that. And I actually will probably get that for the trip, so I'm gonna grab that. Tyler is a huge fan of these Cozy Shack ones, so maybe we'll grab that and take a couple on our trip. Yep, the rice pudding's good. So we'll put that in there. And what do you guys want for yogurt?
We want these.
You want the probiotic smoothies? Sounds good. This is strawberry. Oh gosh, I'm gonna drop it. Can you get that? Strawberry, or do you want the strawberry banana up there?
Strawberry banana.
That's what I thought. Right there.
This here.
It's like falling on top. Yep. Okay, Okay, so we're here to get cream cheese for the bagels. Our Walmart has Violife. Go ahead. That is gluten-free and dairy-free. It's vegan, so that's what I'm gonna eat since I can't do dairy. Can you grab plain?
Strawberry or
Not strawberry. Let's get plain down here on this shelf.
Just plain?
Yeah, we can get a big one. That'll work. So we're trying to find a gluten-free section. Most Walmarts have one, but they're always in a different spot. So the stuff we found so far, we just found with everything else. So we're gonna go look for the gluten-free section.
Mommy, I think this is a gluten-free section.
Yep, we found it. Where is it? It's by pasta. So that was not what I expected, but that's where it is here. Anything else here that you think we need just for the car ride? What are some of Daddy's favorite things from here? Ooh, grab the graham crackers for s'mores on our trip. Yep, just in case we can't find those at the store there. Grab them, just in case we can't find them at the store.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we got graham crackers for a trip. What else do you want? There's those Cat's Pop-Tart things. Those are yummy. Do you think we want that? Yeah, you guys like those.
Do we have 2 of them?
No, just one. We're gonna go grocery shopping when we get down there.
Oh.
All right, so I think we have a ton. Oh my gosh, we have a ton of stuff. Look at all this.
Pass
You're right,
for
we
my
got,
sister.
yep, we got the 4th grade pass. We're going to National Park, so this will be super fun. I don't think we need anything else. You guys think we're good? Got everything we need?
I thought we forgot.
No, we got bars.
hummus.
Oh yeah, we need to go find hummus. Thank you. All right, we finally found hummus. We're gonna bring that with us too. We got carrot sticks and chips. Over here is roasted red pepper. Yeah, is that what you guys want?
Yeah.
Let's just check it really quick. Is it gluten-free? I think it is. All right, so when we check, we're looking for a gluten-free seal. I don't see one. So we're gonna turn it around to the nutrition facts. Okay, the only allergen warning is contains sesame, and we see chickpeas, red peppers, canola oil, tahini paste, which is sesame, garlic, citric acid, sea salt, paprika, cumin, guar gum, and parsley flakes. None of those things could contain barley or rye, which would not be listed on an allergen. So yeah, let's get it. All right, we're finally ready to check out. We're gonna try to find a register because self-checkout with kids, not my favorite. All right, all our groceries plus some stuff for dinner. We got a lot, which always happens when you go to the store. Too much.
Too much.
All right, all loaded up. Did we get everything we need? 2 thumbs up. We got more than we need, I think. What do you think? While we're packing up the car, I'm getting stuff ready to go in the cooler. We just have this little tiny cooler that we're gonna throw ice packs in, and we'll be using that for our lunches on the trip too. And I'm gonna get our lunch for today ready to throw into that cooler. So we have all the stuff that we got the other day at Walmart, and I am going to make up the bagels and cream cheese for us, as well as cut up apples into apple slices. Put them in bags, pack them up. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we have chips and our other snacks here they're under there, under the juice and our seltzer. We have our lunch stuff in here. And then over here, we have our drinks. So this is all set to go in the car and ready for us to get into for snacks and lunch.